I'm so thankful to Ken and Anita and their subscribers, or Sandy's Backyard family. So they invited us by their house, so we went, and he had this amazing board pepper plants, and both were loaded with peppers. And I said, oh my gosh, he says, Sandy, pick some. And then he says, why don't you take that plant? Take that plant. If that thing can fit in your vehicle, take it home. So I was so happy. Oh my gosh, I was so happy. Thankful to you. So now I have to pick out all these ripe ones, because more you pick, more you get. And I just want to pick these guys out because so new ones can come in. They say more you pick, more you reap. And especially right now, we're getting a little bit of rain. I think we only have one more day of rain, and then it's going to be record heat. So guys, stay hydrated, water your garden. I'm picking these big ones here on the wiri as well, because I need to get them out so they give more leaves. This is the end of the season for these guys.
You're fast.
Fast, man. You gotta do this for a living. You go faster. They're coming off so quick because they're so ripened. You see, look. And now we'll get some big peppers. Check these guys out. Look. See all these big peppers here? So I'm gonna pick these out too. I love picking peppers. It's like gold for the West Indian family. We also have, we also have some red chili and green chili, Indian chili. And we are picking here as well. Picking out all the peppers, so new ones coming out. And Stormy's over there looking for critters. Hey, Stormy. Okay, so look guys, look at all the various, there's 4 different types of peppers. Nice. Let's go sell. Going. Okay.